happened here yesterday. They were like these shepherd dogs, Sharplaninac. Nasty animals, nasty animals. They're so protective, and basically they want your ass. They want it badly. So you know, it was scary, and they're this big, huge dogs, and I'm not afraid of bears, snakes. I mean, okay, they're wild animals and you have to be cautious, but I'm not afraid of them. But shepherd dogs, well, that's a different story. They charge at you, you know. So today I got something for them if I encounter one. Ooh. Tennis ball. No dog can resist juicy, green, beautiful, bouncy tennis ball. So I hope I will encounter some shepherd dogs and we will have tennis match. You know, I throw, they bring it back. You know, Wimbledon stuff. So yeah, can't wait to see him again. And yeah, it's beautiful here. And this is Velebit Mountain, one of the most beautiful Croatian mountains. And there is Adriatic Sea, which is also beautiful, and the sights are beautiful. I hope the weather will stay nice, because I hate shitty weather. I hate it. And hopefully it will be nice. From now on, no rain for 7 months, 8 months. Only nice. Okay. Enjoy the feature. 1,000 miles done. 1,000 miles. 1,600 kilometers. Whew. Let's go. Let's go further.